another part of the VMware VIew journey is the introduction, as we described or announced last year, of the PC over IP protocol. This is a new thin client protocol that is available in both a software-only as well as a hardware-assisted form, and we think will really be a state-of-the-art protocol for desktop virtualization on thin clients. Now, to give you some idea of that, we're going to invite one of our customers to come up and talk about it. Chris Renter is from TELUS in Canada, and he's going to describe to us the interesting things that they are doing with VIew. Chris, welcome.
Thank you. Very glad to be here.
Yeah, it's great to see you. So tell us what TELUS, well, first of all, tell us about TELUS.
Well, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to log into a virtual desktop, and we'll go through a small deck to talk about TELUS and about what we're doing with VMware VIew.
So we're looking at here basically our beta or tech preview of the upcoming release of VIew here, and Chris's organization has been working closely with that technology.
Yeah, so TELUS is a leading telecommunications company within Canada. We focus very strongly on IP and with internet data centers and hosting capabilities. With a strong strategic intent to unleash the power of the internet to deliver the best solutions to Canadians at home, in the workplace, and on the move.
So you really are a forward-looking company in terms of how to use this technology to make things simpler and richer.
Oh, absolutely. In the competitive market, most definitely have to. So how we use VMware VIew today, we've rapid deployment of over 1,000 desktops with a global reach. We have both the developer and contact centers that are currently VMware VIew. One of the key components of it was application isolation, so that where we can have customization of applications or differentiation of applications where we could not traditionally deploy them. One of the key components was centralization of corporate data and a global reach.
Right.
So the evolution of it and the next step beyond just server virtualization, but the ability to scale to thousands of users at the desktop. And one of the big things with Vancouver is the traffic. We can have congestion with big events occurring in Vancouver, where a traditional thick user, like a client or carrying a laptop, may want to have portability and mobility. So we needed a mechanism to transfer from the thick world to the thin world.
So you guys are using this internally and dogfooding it and then hoping to roll this out as a service to your customers over time.
Over time, definitely the possibilities are there for the evolution towards that space. And at the end of the day, secured, simplified desktop access.
Right.
And one thing I did want to remind you is that this presentation is all over soft PC over IP.
Right, Chris, thanks a lot. You know, I have a small secret to tell you here, Chris, actually. I use the word dog food. Unfortunately, it may be my only real contribution to the computer industry is the phrase dog food, which I used to introduce the industry in the late 1980s, and you can read about it on Wikipedia, so it must be true.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, Chris.
Thank you very much.